All right, gonna point out a few things here that are slowing down y'all's Facebook ad results. And I have taken other Facebook ads, fixed their mistakes, gotten much better front end metrics. So if we look here in the middle column, unique CTR all, basically how many people out of 100 are actually clicking into our ad to read our body copy, read our offer, see what we got to say for the same ad spend. So all the way on the right, scaled CTR, all 1.6x. Down below that, we got 6.5x. That one's an outlier though. And then 3x, and yeah, on average, I can do this, get a 2 to 4x on average. So basically, having a much better message to market fit gives way more people coming into our ad reading what we got to offer for the same ad spend. So way less wasted ad spend. Next, these are some other wins. Middle column again, unique CTR all. So, again, whatever average this is, 10, 12%, 12 out of 100 clicking and reading the ad. And whenever anyone compares kind of their current ad numbers to mine are basically always better. So more efficient ad spend, better message to market match, less wasted ad spend. All right, so let's go back here. First thing we always look at is the primary text. So here we go. Hey neighbors, George here. Okay. Massive discount. Pressure wash and driveway spreading, solar panel cleaning, window cleaning. All right. So right here we got the smorgasbord mistake. Too many ads or too many services in one ad. This confuses the meta ad algorithm. Doesn't know who to send our ad to confidently and at which time, because we're talking to way too many different services, different people in our ads. And the false belief that causes us to make this mistake is A, we don't even know we're making a mistake till someone points it out to us. And B, this was the correct way to advertise pre-social media. So like newspaper ads, print ads, magazine ads, and even putting up a flyer up on a telephone pole. So this was the correct way, get at least one thing that hooks someone and get them to buy. But with social media advertising, this is completely flipped. This is now the 100% incorrect way to run our ads. And so we're doing get quote, looks like a lead form. Okay, so, all right, so the groups that are coming through our lead form, very, very few buyers. So the groups coming through our lead form will be the dead phone numbers. For some reason, people are giving us phones that, it says out of service, deadline, the line doesn't work, zombie phone numbers, or whenever zombies are filling out our lead forms. And when we do this, and we actually call people up and get their real phone numbers that work, we got the people that never answer. We got the people that do answer. We talk back and forth. We get them a quote, and then they stop responding, so then they ghost us. We also got the people that we get a quote to them, and then they negotiate lowball. These are the lowballers, the hustlers, and then finally, the smallest group will be the buyers. And if the buyers do come in, it's normally the first 24, 48 hours of our ad. And after that, it kind of burns out, goes down the tubes. All right, next we'll look at the creative.
Houston homeowners.
Okay. All right, so, okay, a lot of different services, in progress shots, after shots. And yeah, same thing, smorgasbord, um, smorgasbord mistake. And all it's really doing is confusing the meta ad algorithm. That's kind of the reason for it, or the reason why it's a mistake. Because Meta's not confident where to send our ad to at which time. That's the reason. And yeah, same consequences as mistake number one. but also the additional ones of, we're gonna feel like we're throwing our money away, spinning our wheels, throwing our money down the tubes with these ads, because we do not have a step-by-step plan and process in place to actually look at the metrics, and depending on the metrics, tell us which ads to pull or which levers to pull next to get our ad back on track and give us a higher chance of getting buyers. ChatGPT ain't giving us nothing. Claude ain't giving us that because they don't know. And as always, any text here in the bottom left, always a mistake. So yeah, these are a few of the things that I'm seeing that are slowing down Yell's Facebook ad results.